sector visibility is low. Keep scanning the shoreline.
Grid Gamma 7. Confirm secure before detachment.
This vibrating separation table utilizes the density differences, sending the lighter diamonds one way and the heavier gold into the collection channels. Diamonds.
Stand by.
Steady, steady, start the pour.
Keep the area clear until the crane moves.
All right, easy now. Take her up another 10 feet and start the traverse to the east bay.
On line 3, open the valve.
Valve open. Pressure stable.
The industrial centrifuge spins at forces exceeding 10,000 G, effectively separating the dense gold particles from the lighter slurry.
Reading confirmed. 999.9 purity.
Data logged.
Perimeter established. All clear.
Roger that. Stand by for unloading.
Crate is loaded and secured. Bay door initializing close sequence. All clear for departure.
Pallet secure. Confirm transfer manifest now.
Roger that, Foreman. All units hold position.
All containers secured for the Singapore route, Captain.
Confirmed. Maintain course and speed.
Spreader locked. Initiating primary lift.
Confirmed. Moving to traverse. Container 49er has cleared X-ray. Released for transit.
Over.
Proceed to staging area B when ready.
Cross-check the serial numbers against the manifest immediately.
All accounted for, sir. The purity is confirmed.
As you can see, the assay certification is impeccable. We ensure every bar meets the highest standards.
Truly stunning craftsmanship. I'll take 10 of those.
Hidden deep within the jungle, the enigmatic facility operates outside of international law, processing materials of unknown origin. Seeds are now legitimate luxury goods. The money laundering is complete.
These routes are active, showing clear coordination across 5 borders.
We see the pattern, but until the joint
Satellite confirms activity spike at the North Silo. We are still restricted to observation only. Repeat, do not engage.
Shift change. Don't forget the package in Bay 4.
Hold position at the gate. Copy that.
All quiet on this side.
Something keep Joe. Let's talk.
Biometrics confirmed. You are cleared for Zone 3 access. Welcome to the facility.
The secure channel is live. Listen closely. The authorities are aware of the shipment route.
The European shipments are compromised. We need a new route immediately.
The ledger shows inconsistencies in the Balkan transfer.
This is a satellite imagery proves this isn't an isolated operation.
At this secluded island facility, the operation never stops. A 24/7 criminal enterprise